Both doors look outstanding. Let's spray some water on them and see how they work. Start with the Gyeon Mohs side. There's our control. Look how flat that is. Mohs just drops. Super tight beads. Can't even stay on the surface. DIY details, 3-year ceramic. Performing very well. Looks like I got good even coverage. It is beading and performing everywhere. Tight drops. First initial test, you can see there's a lot less water on the Mohs side compared to the DIY 3-year. But now we will see how they hold up with salty road conditions, washing, contact washes, chemical resistance, and watch how well these blow off with a leaf blower. Nice.